The Hoover Streamline corded hard floor cleaner machine promises to take the headache out of maintaining spotless hard floors with its innovative all-in-one cleaning system. This vacuum is designed to simplify your routine, combining the power of washing and vacuuming in a single step. It's a game changer for anyone tired of running multiple machines or tools to tackle stubborn messes on hard floors. But does it live up to that promise? Let's take a closer look. At the heart of the Hoover Streamline is its ability to wash and vacuum simultaneously, which can save you a lot of time during cleaning sessions. The machine uses a microfiber brush roll to scrub your floors, which works effectively on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, luxury vinyl, and tile. With Boost Mode, you can amp up the suction to tackle those stubborn, stuck-on messes, making it versatile for day-to-day use and deeper cleaning when needed. But as we know, it's not just about suction power, it's about consistency, and this model doesn't disappoint when it comes to handling fine dust, crumbs, and sticky spots alike. The machine also takes cleaning convenience to the next level with a self-cleaning system that activates between uses, ensuring that your cleaner stays fresh and sanitary, something a lot of users often overlook when it comes to maintaining these types of appliances. The dual tank system is another standout feature, keeping your clean and dirty water separate as you work, which means you'll never have to worry about spreading dirty water back on your floors. For those of us who've dealt with dirty water mixed back into a cleaning cycle, this is a real improvement. In real-world use, setting up the Hoover Streamline is fairly straightforward. The corded design gives you consistent, uninterrupted power, but it does limit mobility compared to cordless models. However, considering it's designed to clean a variety of floor types effectively, the trade-off might be worth it for those looking for reliable, ongoing power. On the flip side, the cord length is an important consideration. Too short, and you'll be constantly moving between outlets. Too long, and it might create a bit of a tangled mess, especially if you're cleaning in a smaller area. When it comes to noise, the Hoover Streamline operates at a reasonable level. Certainly louder than a lightweight stick vacuum, but not as noisy as some of the more industrial models. It's not the quietest vacuum in its category, but it's a manageable noise, especially given its cleaning power. If you're someone who values peace and quiet, this might be something to keep in mind. Though, it's not a deal breaker. The machine's maneuverability is good, and the edge cleaning feature is a handy addition, despite ensuring you can get right up to the edges of baseboards and underneath furniture. While it isn't as nimble as some handheld vacuums or smaller models, it makes up for that with its excellent suction and the ability to cover large floor areas efficiently. One thing to keep in mind is the bin capacity. As a corded model, you don't have the same freedom of movement as a cordless vacuum, so you'll be tied to a power outlet while cleaning. That said, the trade-off is a vacuum that doesn't lose suction as the battery drains, something that's particularly useful when you need to finish cleaning without interruption. However, the bin could use a little more capacity. If you have a large home or need to clean big areas at once, expect to empty the bin more frequently. As for the value for money, this vacuum definitely delivers on its promise of convenience, with its all-in-one cleaning, dual tank system, and self-cleaning functionality. When you compare it to other vacuums in this price range, especially those offering similar wet-dry capabilities, the Hoover Streamline stands out for its ability to wash and vacuum simultaneously while maintaining an effective suction performance on multiple surfaces. However, if you're not in need of wet cleaning or primarily want a vacuum for carpeted floors, there are other vacuums that might offer more specialized features for those needs. In terms of build quality, the Hoover Streamline feels solid and well-made, with a good balance of durability and weight. It's not too heavy to maneuver, though you'll need a bit more effort compared to lighter stick models. The materials used are sturdy, and there's a clear focus on long-term usability. The maintenance is straightforward, filter cleaning is easy, and the self-cleaning system helps reduce the amount of time spent on upkeep. While Hoover doesn't always stand out for its customer service, it's generally been a reliable brand in terms of after-sales support. If issues arise, you can expect standard responses and solutions, though they're not particularly known for exceptional service. As for longevity, the Streamline should hold up well over time, especially with regular care and proper maintenance. If you're looking for something that will last through frequent use without worrying about immediate breakdowns, this model seems promising. When compared to other models in the same category, such as the Bissell Crosswave or the Shark Vac Mop, the Hoover Streamline holds its own. The Bissell Crosswave also offers a similar wet and dry clean functionality, but with a more compact design. The Shark Vac Mop, on the other hand, is a more lightweight model that combines suction and mopping, but it lacks the deep cleaning power the Hoover Streamline provides, especially with boost mode. The Hoover Streamline offers a balance between cleaning power, versatility, and ease of maintenance, making it a strong contender in this space. To wrap things up, the Hoover Streamline corded hard floor cleaner machine is an excellent option for those looking for a reliable and efficient way to clean hard floors, and especially if you want a machine that can wash and vacuum in one step. It's best suited for homeowners with larger hard floors, those who deal with stubborn messes regularly, and anyone who prefers the convenience of a self-cleaning system and dual tanks. However, if you primarily need a vacuum for carpeted floors, or are looking for a lightweight cordless model, there may be more suitable alternatives out there. The Hoover Streamline offers great value for those who need its specific features and are willing to sacrifice some mobility for consistent cleaning performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the comments box below for a link to grab the Hoover Streamline. If you already have one, drop a comment and let us know how it's working for you. Until next time, remember, your floors might get dirty, but your choices in cleaning don't have to be.